Hi there, my name is Maeve, and today we are going to continue learning the verb to need. Are you ready? Let's start. In the last lesson, we learned how to say you need in Spanish, necesitas, and today we are going to learn how to say you lot need. In Spanish, of course, necesitáis. To necesitas, you need, we add an I. Necesitáis, which change the meaning and is you lot need. Let's do some sentences. You lot need some towels. Some towels in Spanish is unas toallas. Let's begin. When we are going to talk about you as a group, I will refer as you. Off we go. You need some towels. Necesitáis unas toallas. Let's do it together. Necesitáis unas toallas. Come on then. Your turn. Necesitáis unas toallas. Well done. Drinks in Spanish is bebidas. And some drinks is unas bebidas. Let's do the second sentence. You need some drinks. Remember, you as a group. We are studying today. Necesitáis unas bebidas. Clup, 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 clup. Let's do it together. You need some drinks. Necesitáis unas bebidas. Clup, 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 clup. Well done. Crisps in Spanish is patatas fritas. Some crisps is unas patatas fritas. So let's do our third sentence. You need some crisps. You need some crisps. In Spanish is necesitáis unas patatas fritas. Let's do it together. Vosotros necesitáis unas patatas fritas. Perfect. Well done. Thank you for learning with me. If you have liked my video, please give me a like. See you. Muchas gracias por aprender conmigo. Si os ha gustado mi vídeo, por favor, dadme un like. See you. Adiós.